Okay, what we got here is an iPad mini. I kind of already started it, but it was just a test. So anyway, I got to get this screen off. The correct way is to do the left side first. And I have my heat gun, but what I had done is I put this behind my desktop and got it all warm, and then I just tried this tool. This replacement screen came with a whole bunch of tools, and since I already have this started, I'm just gonna have to go with it, I guess. I just stuck this tool in and lifted it, and the screen is already warm from being behind my computer. And this is coming up pretty easily. I don't know if it's coming up so easy because it's warm or because the screen has been replaced before. This is a Series 1. So pretty old. I have this thing off. Yeah, I have it off. Alright, so I'm not doing a very good video. This thing came with a ton of tools and a lot of picks. The picks are came with all big tools. Here it came with the sticker. Some people use glue. I'm not sure what the hell I'm gonna do. This is starting to cool down. Oh, that's still hot in the back. And when you're going in here, you only want to reach in to the white part. Don't reach in any farther. You're gonna hit this. You're gonna hit the LCD. You don't want to hit the LCD. Only come in. See, you can see that you're in too far. The stickers are only right here under the white edge. I'm probably gonna have to do some heat down on this edge here. Be very careful. You don't want to hit the LCD. Probably gonna have to do heat gun. I already got to heat it up. It's starting to, it's cooled down a lot now. I'm gonna have to do heat gun. When it was warm, it just came right up. It just came right off. God damn it, stop chasing me. Son of a bitch. Pick love, yeah. Try not not to slip and cut my finger. Yeah, be very careful. You don't want to slip and slice your finger open. I'm gonna have to apply heat. This is starting to be. It was going so smooth, so it was going so easy. Just the heat from the back of the desktop. I had this laying right against the power supply exit fan area. I mean, it wasn't super hot. It was just a little warm. All right, let's see. Where we at? 950. That's too hot. Well, we're at low 650. 650 is probably too hot too, but. Just trying to get it where it actually feels warm on both sides. That's. I wish I had my heat gun down here. All right. All right. Let's see. Let's see how we do. You also want to try not to hit the power button and turn it on while you're working on it. I mean, you could turn it on, but. Don't think there's any cameras down here. Antennas. Don't think there's any antenna down here. Oh, a piece of glass just went flying and hit me in the nose. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah, I just got hit in the mouth. See how this is all broke over here already. I don't think it's actually important. I think I could just skip on over. Skip on over. Don't want to hurt your LCD. Cable down here or something? Is that where the cable is? think the cable is down in this area right here. Let me heat this area up. So I pretty much have this off. Alright, I'm not going to heat this area up because I have this off. There you go. Alright, what is that? Is that the glue? Something is looking odd down here. I don't think it's a cable. Right. So there's the cable. And notice how I sliced the cable when I took that off. But that's okay. We don't need that. Alright. And I screwed up the home button too. Alright, so that's off. That could be thrown away. So you got to be careful. I mean, it doesn't matter that you cut the cable. You're going to cut it anyway to get this thing out of the damn way. But that's where the cable is on this Gen 1. Alright. It looks like I screwed something up over here. What is that? What did I screw up? Is that an antenna? Shit. Alright, I gotta take a closer look at that. Alright, so I did slightly damage that antenna, but when I took it off with those three screws and picked it up, it's not a big deal. Alright, so other things that aren't mentioned, that's the antenna, there's your camera, there's your home button down this end. Down this end, where this connector is, there's a magnet on top of this screw. And there's a magnet on top of this screw. They look like this. And they will come up with the screen. It's that magnet. And it's got some rubber on it to make it lighter. Come on, focus. You pain in the ass. Right, let me see. Alright, so it's got a piece of foam on it. And it's a magnet. The other end is going to be a sticker or whatever. So that goes over this screw. The foam is on top of that screw. And then on this side, you got this another magnet. This one right here. It looks like that. That's the opposite side. This side, this is the foam that goes on top of that screw. Alright, so now to get out, see, they just jump together. Alright, to get this LCD out, you got to take off that screw, that screw, that screw, and that screw. And those are the two screws that were underneath the magnet. And I would suggest wearing glasses, goggles or something when you're doing this. If you got glass, something like this. Because I had my glasses up and I was coming down to a corner trying to squeeze out. The glass was broken here. And it just all shattered, came up and hit me right under the eye. All little chips. Luckily, it didn't go in my eye. Alright, so I'm not going to undo these on camera. As I undo them on camera. All dark and white. Are these the right screws? Oh, they don't even feel tight. Supposedly these strips should come off, but we will see if they come with the LCD or not. Come on, buddy. And you don't need to get this to lay down, because when the screen goes down, it'll hold it down. That right here, this is an antenna, so you want to be careful when you're pulling this up, not to rip that antenna. screws. Remember, this is a series 1. So I don't know what other series, if they have the magnets different or whatever. You want to be real easy with this. You don't want to scratch this screen. Like, I have a lot of glass on this LCD right now. Alright. So we're going to get this come out. The cable for the LCD, I believe, is on the same side where this cable was. So I got to get the LCD to come up. I think it is also glued down. So I'm prying there. Don't want to force this LCD. Where's my other pole? I thought I had another pole. Let's just go with these. That's being difficult. Hopefully I don't break anything. Stupid glass. The stupid glass is making this hard. Of course, the glass has to be in the way. Come on, man. Feels like multiple things holding it down on that end. Right. Okay, down on this end, you have to pull these. Where the hell is it? You got to pull these off. They're right here and right here. Actually, you didn't need to pull this one off. And there's a piece of tape here. You could have just left this one on. There's a piece of tape here you have to slide off, and then under that one there, you got to slide this tape off right there to get that left off. The other one we could have left on because it's the tape is right there, and now the screen will pull up and just be on its one cable. And there's the stupid antenna I messed with. Now you got to take off this screen. All right, so with this screen up, it's all these little tiny screws. And they have a little foam or whatever on top of them, so you might see them. Not see them, the tiny little screws. All those little guys right there. So then this comes off. And then now you got to take off this. And then you can unplug this and the LCD, and then you got to go through and remove all your glass. I wonder if all these are the same size screws. They're all super tiny. don't use metal to lift these up. Don't use metal. Don't do it. Alright, so now we can put this to the side. This is our LCD with all the glass on it and shit. Now we have to go through and clean all this damn glass off. How does that work? This cable come over here. What should do? Plug over to here. Oh, that's the battery. I gotta look at the new screen and see what the hell this connector looks like. Okay. Where's our... Oh, our thing is right there. Alright. Alright, so that comes up. Alright, now you got me more confused. That's supposed to be in the cage. So this is all one thing. Alright, yeah, that's glued down. Stickered down. So you probably want to put some glue and match that like that. Well, double-sided tape to match how that one is. Wonder what those feelers are for right there. Wonder what these are there for. This one doesn't have them. They're covered. Is this a cover that comes off? Oh, it does. I think. Or no. Alright, I'm gonna have to go look at that. That can't be right. No, that's supposed to stay on there, I believe. What is that down there? Oh, I see. This piece came off, I believe. I'm just going to leave it there. I'm kind of confused what's going on here. Alright, so I cleaned up these areas best I could. You just don't want stuff pulling up on it. I'm going to try using the stupid stickers. I know they suck. It's probably just going to damn fall off, and why I hate working on these damn things. I got to do those magnets, those stupid things back on. I don't know. I wish this Wi-Fi antenna would stop pushing up. I took it off and now it's not sticking down. I think I'm gonna get some double-sided tape and have that stick down. Alright, so I got my stickers laid out, and I cut them so they weren't just one huge one to make it easier to put them down. So you're going to get some gaps somewhere sometimes. Definitely don't overlap them. I think I got all the glass out. Now I gotta clean the LCD, get all the glass off of that and the fingerprints. I think that goes on first. And you gotta be careful when you go to close this up. You're gonna make sure this cable is crimped in there correctly. Let's go the other way. You're gonna make sure it goes down and into this pocket in here. All right. I got all the screws back in, and now we're about to see if the touch works. Obviously it does. So now I just got to clean my fingerprints off this LCD and hope these stupid stickers hold this screen on. So we know how that goes. And then when you put this in, you got to you want to clamp down that side first so you can get in here and push that cable into the little hole there. All right, so I'm going to turn this off and pull the rest of the things off the stickers. Oh, I got to clean the LCD. Alright, so this video wasn't really that useful. Again, you put this side in, and then you got to come in with the cable, and you just push the cable in the middle, and the cable is sitting crinked like this, and you put it in the middle, and it'll crink this way and fall down into the hole. The one thing I forgot to check was the home button. Thankfully that works. Haven't tried typing or anything. Hopefully this damn glue holds. And if you noticed, the screen that was on here was white and I bought a black one. I don't know if I bought it by accident or what, but I don't like white anyway. It seems to be on. The antenna was over on this side. It's not pushed up at all. There's not much you can do. Is just hope that glue holds. This crap. Hope that crap holds.
I'm gonna get the box. I'm gonna get the box. Oh, I almost got it.
The box.
Limited edition.
Get the box.
I'm going?
Yeah, but you're getting the box and you're only playing once. So enjoy.
Yeah, great. The home button just went crooked on me. I never checked to see if they installed it properly, but it was just stuck in their crooked. See, it's stuck in their crooked right now. Damn it. Damn it. I didn't install that button. The other people did. It's on there crooked. Damn it. Never checked that hardware. I forgot. That's probably something to do. Now what was I going to do? Oh yeah, make sure the camera works. That's the front camera. Alright. Alright, so at least the camera's still working. Nope.
Look at the mouse. 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 Look at the mouse.
Look at the mouse. Look at the mouse. Look at the mouse. Look at the mouse. Okay. Well, it's all done except for now we got a home button problem. God damn it. Yeah, I forgot to put the magnets in. Oh well. Those are for closing lids. I doubt this is ever going to have one of those. So, oh well. Not putting those in. Maybe next time.
Hey, wait, wait,
Wait, what? Come on,
Wait.
get some.
wait.
Stick your hand in there and get some.
Oh, you're not this some. Not this some.
You didn't get any?
I'm not this any.
Come on, grab a handful.
Grab two.
Good.
This way.
You want me to get it?
No, I did it. No, I did it.
Well, what are you doing?
Move out. Move out.
Move out.
Move out. Show you.
Come on, get some.
Come on.
Come on, hurry up. It's getting the house cold. Grab some.
I just have some.
You got it?
I got it.
Let's see.
I got some.
Yeah.
I make a bowl.
Did you make a bowl?
I not did any.
Yeah, let's see.
Look, I did a bowl. Oh, bye, oh, bye.
There you go.
Put out outside.
Throw it outside.
No one. I make. No one.
Look at the mouse. 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 Look at the mouse.